Hello everyone, my name is Ona Givert and today I'll present to you our demo paper about OpusDistillery, a configurable end-to-end pipeline for systematic multilingual distillation of OpenNMT models. This is our GitHub and you can find a full description of our pipeline. The main features of our implementation are the use of OpusMT and Hugging Face models, the GPU utilization tracking and the multilinguality support. You can further read our documentation here. Today I will walk you through our quick start tutorial. The first step is to set up our pipeline, and then we have to describe our experiment, and then we can already run the pipeline. Let's do it together. OpusDistillery is based on SnakeMake, which takes as an input a YAML definition file. This is the configuration file that we need to run OpusDistillery, where we specify which language pairs we want to train our student in, which is the teacher we want to distill from, which backward model we will use for cross-entropy scoring, which metric to use to select our best model when training, and most importantly, the datasets we will use. In this case, we specify a code from the Opus repository, and then we use Flores for both development and testing. Now we are ready to run the pipeline. But first we can run a dry run to make sure that everything is working as expected. For that, we can just do make dry run, then specify the configuration file we are using and the profile that we are using. In this case, it is my local machine, but it can be easily extended to include other clusters or compute resources. This will create a list of jobs that need to be taken in order to generate the final student. In this case, we need to take 83 jobs. This may be hard to visualize, so we can also create a directed acyclic graph to help us visualize the steps. This is how the graph looks like, but we can actually zoom in to further dissect a single step. In this case, for example, we have all the steps necessary to download the Finnish English corpus. Finally, to run the pipeline, we can simply remove the dry from our command and just say make run config profile. And this will run all of the steps necessary one after the other, as you can see here. That's all from my side. Thank you very much and have a nice day.